Electronic configurations of noble gases. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, organison. This is a new element. So 2, 10, 18, 36, 54, 86, 118. These atomic numbers you have to by heart, because from these atomic numbers only we will be able to write all the other groups electronic configuration group wise without any difficulty. Coming to electronic configuration, this is 1s2. Neon will be once again helium, 2s2, 2p6. So all the inert gases have octet configuration. Argon is neon, 3s2, 3p6. Next, coming to krypton, will have 4s2, 4p6, but before that you will have fully filled 3d10. Next, krypton, you will have 5s2, 5p6, but before that you will have 4d10. Next, coming to radon, you can have 6s2, 6p6, before that you will have 5d10, before 5d10 you will have 4 of 14. Organison is radon, once again 5 of 14, 6d10, 7s2, 7p6.